So the Special Olympics is gonna do some bowling today, and we're gonna have a little fun.
So you wanna go right now?
And push it, push it, push it. Oh my goodness. Yeah!
Today we're here bowling, supporting the special settings group.
You got a spare!
And I'm here with them, just supporting them while they bowl and get the experiences outside of school.
We're basically taking everybody to the bowling alley, and we're gonna cheer on the kids while they bowl. We're gonna help them like understand the directions and stuff, and it's just gonna be really fun.
I want to test my bowling skills, see how good I am.
Woo! Good job.
The Bulldog Buddies was started to connect Gold Hill Middle School's general education students with their special needs students.
Ron, you got 49.
This group started with just 9 members and has blossomed into 60 buddies volunteering at events like this Special Olympics bowling tournament.
I hope that they have a better understanding for people that are different than them.
Last year, Gold Hill Middle's Spanish teacher, Vanessa Rivera,
Wrong alley!
started the group to help develop skills that go beyond the classroom.
All right, ready, got first, bud. Good job.
Kindness, acceptance. They're learning how to be patient with each other. They're learning that people are different from one another. They are very adaptable. Whatever happens, happens. And they can switch from one thing to another without asking questions. They're like, okay, they're on it. So they're just great kids, all of them.
You having fun?
I have.
You have fun?
And while the bowling alley might not be considered an optimal setting for learning, these students are teaching much more than just how to throw a strike.
Good job, buddy.
It makes me feel really good that they're happy and that they can do it too.
2, 3. That's it.
Including people, it can really make someone's day and help them feel better. And also, I'm gonna learn to be more patient with people.
Inclusion can be difficult for many middle schoolers to comprehend.
That was so good!
But hopefully, through experiences like this, these buddies will have plenty of compassion to spare.
I just want them to feel included. I want them to know they have friends. I want them to feel loved.
You got a strike! Look, high five! You got them all in!
And while knocking the pins down may lead to a victory, these new friends don't need a scorecard to know they have already won.
They can see maybe some of the struggles that our special needs friends go through. They've witnessed some of them. They are helpful, they're kind, and they're just good friends. They really are true buddies.